Hi everyone, it's Katrina. Just popping on to give you an idea on how I design these baskets. First thing first, I like to use colors that kids are attracted to, and these colors are popping. I fill the baskets up to make sure there are no empty spaces, and I fit things together like a puzzle so that it looks cohesive and it flows. Kids will be drawn to the basket and they will see that there is the LOL smartwatch as well as the LED microphones in there. I give a peek of things, but I don't just show everything. There are hidden gems down in there. I think a child will love this basket. Please tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.